Flooding is one area that we struggle with here in San Antonio. Our drainage is really pretty good, but very few areas can tolerate the amount of rain that we can get when it really fires up. When you get an inch of rain an hour, that is just unbelievable. Now, a few years ago, we did have a significant flood here in San Antonio. We got over 6 inches of rain for 8 days in a row. So you figure that out. We had 48 inches of rain in a short period of time. The rivers were full. They overflowed. They took some of the homes down in there. And I know you out in California, you're familiar with the mudslides.